Josayi. I work at Limited. I am the project engineer for Toyota.
Hi, I'm Samantha Dunlop. I am an owner of a business called CLC Trading, and I work for DAXA Logistics as well.
This journey has been an exciting journey. My mentor is Sam. When I got that to shape, I wasn't sure if she was the one. I remember I ran to her, and then I was like, no, it's not matching. And they said, yeah, they're like, come back, it is. And then I found out it was. And I remember the first day we actually sat there. We spoke until because we both loved children, and it was the best measure. When Sam first came at Ingeni for the session, I actually like her as a person, and I was very inspired for the fact that she had her own company. So when Conan met, I was very happy.
I was selected this year to be one of the mentors on the Conscious Leaders Conversations program within Gary. Not really knowing what to expect going into it. Not having done a mentorship program before, but being in business and in the workforce for more than 20 years, you do pick up a thing or two that you'd like to share with others, about giving someone else a hand up, or cluing them in, or giving them information about the things that you struggled with, that you were able to overcome, looking at work-life balance, and then looking at the person as a whole. This journey is really, for me, has been such a reminder of what we have to contribute to each other, how much we have to learn from each other, and when we take hands, how much further we can go down the road together.
So one of the things that I will highlight, I will try to summarize. Before I met Sam, I was a person where it was all about work. I didn't actually focus more on myself. I didn't know who I am outside work. And when I met Sam at a point where I was very miserable, if miserable is the right word, but miserable because of work, because I believed everything was about work. And Sam told me that we were to leave. No, sorry, it's the other way around. We were to leave. We don't leave work. And that has been stuck with me throughout that. And from then, we started developing goals, started putting my goals down.
Both emotional, and we talk with our emotions. And I saw a lot of myself in Aphiwe as well. And coming alongside her and just showing her more of who she is has really been such an inspiration to me as well. I didn't have a mentor at her age telling me that, so I had to knock my own head and figure it out that I am a whole person.
I believe that even though the CLC is ending, but Sam and myself are going to continue meeting. Also meeting Sam has not only made me achieve my goals, it has also made me as well be a full person. Being a full person means that living life. Not everything's about only work and sleeping, and also Christ as well. Ever since I met Sam, I've started going to church, and I've been feeling more connected to God. And now we were just talking now as well. I'm gonna start joining a Bible study with one of the ladies. So our relationship goes beyond building my career. It's all about building me as a person.
And I'm just so proud of Aphiwe and the journey that we've gone on together, and where she is at the moment, the goals that she set, that she's absolutely smashing, and just her character and her the person, the persona that's been built through this process. Yeah, I'm just really inspired and really encouraged and very proud of.
And for me, having a mentor is like, it's a privilege. It's something that I never thought it happened, but it makes me always have someone to look up to, someone to share with, like on career-wise or personal-wise. So yeah, we're going to continue having the sessions, even though the CLC is going to the end.